Manga here, back with another manga unboxing. Today we're going to unbox Chainsaw Man Volume 5. So I'm a big fan of Chainsaw Man and collecting all the volumes. So as of now I collected all the 8 volumes. So this is the 5th volume. Yeah, so let's unbox this. As always I got this volume from Volkswagen, and as always the packaging is neat and it's well packaged. So yeah, let's open this up. So as always, packing is neat. It's bubble wrapped and it's good. Yeah, the volume cover looks dope. So let's open this up. I don't know why, but nowadays they are using these long tapes to cover it up. So yeah, as you can see, the volume looks pretty great. There is no damage to the spine whatsoever. Looks good. So as you can see, Tatsuki Fujimoto. Yeah, the volume looks great. Let's look at the saw as well. Yeah, so Chainsaw Man versus Blade, I guess. Yeah, so actually I've read everything already, so just collecting for the sake of collecting physically, and I will read it sometimes. You have to collect the whole 11 volumes. That will happen in June, I guess. So yeah, let's see some of the artworks in this manga. So this is printed in the USA, so it's good. As long as it's not in Italy, it's good. Denji. The art looks great in physical form. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it for this volume, I guess. Yeah, so stay tuned for more content, guys. I'll be soon unboxing some real good stuff. So yeah, so see you there. Until then, take care.